How today's metaverse is shaping tomorrow's finance. The digital evolution accelerating the rise of the metaverse is already having an impact across all sectors from food to fashion, but not more than finance. The move from the centralized, platform-dominant Web 2 into the decentralized architecture of Web 3 is changing the way fintech is designed and used. Not only will innovation become increasingly rapid, but it will be driven from the bottom up, resulting in financial tools focused on enabling all aspects of our digital lives. Fascination around the metaverse has gained significant attention thanks to various high-profile announcements such as Facebook's rebrand to Meta, and Bill Gates' belief that we will soon be working from the metaverse. Big tech is following the direction set by crypto innovators into the metaverse, not leading them. It's not just the traditional outfits who have got into the game, but a growing clutch of agile disruptors and investors in the virtual realm, steering the future of finance. As nascent as the fintech industry seems to be, its origins go all the way back to inventions such as the credit card in the 1950s. However, until now, financial innovations have largely been the product of the main institutional players, like banks and governments. Banking has indeed become more accessible to the masses across the world, but within the parameters defined by the institutions that benefit them in cementing market share. Web 3 has changed this dynamic as decentralization benefits individuals over platforms. While the current Internet, Web 2, relies on centralized data storage and ownership, the metaverse is underpinned by blockchain technology, where information is stored using distributed ledger technology (DLT) across a wide network. DLT is the hallmark of Web 3, giving users ownership over their data and removing the reliance on intermediaries, resulting in more efficient and transparent transactions. The potent technology is a shared and trusted ledger that can be inspected by everybody, but no single user has the power to amend it. This infrastructure has spawned rapid fintech innovation. DeFi, crypto assets, digital wallets, and non-fungible tokens (NFTs) are some of the more popular applications that define today's Web 3. In all these cases, traditional financial protocols have been disrupted by decentralized movements to create new use cases for blockchain technology. These projects have produced fintech that is not only innovative, but increasingly attractive to a wider base of people, thanks to their broader utility. Globally, millions use fintech in their everyday finances and are making the leap into DeFi. People are doing this not just because of government or institutional encouragement, but because of the inherent value of digital assets in an increasingly virtual world. This leap in adoption is not just driven by developed countries, but by emerging markets like Vietnam, India, and Pakistan, where worldwide crypto usage jumped by over 880% last year. Seeing the value in the digital asset economy, governments from El Salvador to the UAE are introducing favorable regulations to encourage the growth of crypto and DeFi innovation hubs. Even countries opposed to crypto such as China are opening arms to other forms of digital assets, leading the way in pushing the launch of its digital yuan ahead of the Lunar New Year. While blockchain has powered the collective drive for fintech innovation, the metaverse will be the catalyst that creates wide-scale adoption. Virtual worlds will crystallize user needs as we translate reality into digital spaces. This aspect of realness has the potential to make fintech more inclusive and accessible to digital-first users.